So the main reason why we applied to those awards was basically because we wanted to show to the industry that if all the stakeholders collaborate together, asset owner, general contractor and designer, we can change the industry. And our project was an example of how High-Speed 2 as an asset owner, Balfa, BT, Vinci as a general contractor, and Mott MacDonald as a designer, all working together with a small company like us, SAALG Geomechanics, we can transform the industry by analyzing data in real time during construction. In our project, we illustrate how, by using Darwin and connecting numerical models with monitoring data, we could improve the design. In this particular case, we quantify savings in terms of time, cost, and CO2 emissions by opening the possibility to remove one temporary probe level.